There's been a real shift in the AI trade over the past few weeks, and it's one that's caught a lot of investors off guard. For most of the year, Nvidia has dominated the AI conversation. Its chips, its earnings, its momentum, all of it put Nvidia right at the center of the AI boom. But in the past month, things have changed. Google, through its parent company Alphabet, has surged nearly 20%. While Nvidia has dropped around 14%, that reversal now makes Google the top performer in the Magnificent Seven, which is a position Nvidia held for most of the recent years. So what's driving this shift? A lot of it comes down to AI capability and cloud strength. Since September, Google has added more than $1.3 trillion in market value, which is an enormous move for any company, let alone one already in the trillion-dollar club. The main driver has been momentum behind its new AI model, Gemini 3, which is now seen as a serious competitor to ChatGPT and a key platform for developers building AI tools. That sits alongside continued growth in Google's cloud division. All of this follows close to $400 billion in long-term AI investment from Google. It's a scale of spending that only a handful of companies in the world can match, and the market appears to be responding to it. So what's behind Nvidia's pullback? Nvidia is still a major force in AI chips, but sentiment has cooled. One of the turning points came when Meta announced it would spend billions of dollars on AI chips from Google rather than Nvidia. That raised questions about whether Nvidia's dominance in AI hardware could face more competition going forward, and the competitive landscape has widened even further. A Chinese chipmaker, More Threads, recently went public, and its valuation has already moved above Nvidia's. Whether that reflects fundamentals or simply market enthusiasm is open for debate, but it highlights how quickly the space is expanding. So what does this tell us about the AI market right now? Mainly that leadership can change fast. Google's recent strength shows how quickly momentum can build when cloud scale, model performance, and developer adoption all line up. Nvidia's pullback shows that even the strongest names can face pressure when major customers look elsewhere or when new competitors emerge. None of this means Nvidia is finished. The company still plays a central role in powering AI training and infrastructure, but it does show that the sector is becoming more competitive, and leadership may not stay in one place for too long. As always, there are market observations, not predictions, and past performance isn't a reliable indicator of future results. The AI race is far from settled, but it is evolving quickly. And right now, Google has taken the front position. We'll keep tracking the sector as these dynamics continue to unfold. For more updates, keep an eye on our Instagram and TikTok at XTBUK, and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel.